Hello guys, this video tutorial is related to the data screening. So first of all we have to see what is data screening. Data screening is sometimes referred to as data streaming, and it is the process that ensures that the data is clean and ready to go for the further analysis. Data must be screened in order to ensure the data is usable, reliable and valid for testing causal theory. So it is an important step before going for the further analysis that you perform the data screening steps. We will discuss two types of the data screening methods. The first is missing value analysis and the second is outliers, in which we will see what is univariate outlier and multivariate outliers. So first of all we have to see what is missing value. The data is missing. For example, respondents have skipped few answers, such as if you have a variable customer satisfaction and it has 5 items and the respondent just answered 3 items and he skipped 2 items, so there is a blank part and it is basically a missing data. So you have to fill this data by performing some analysis, or you have to replace those blank cells by some value by the software. We'll see later how to incorporate those missing cells or missing data. So if you have missing much of your data, you can it can cause several problems. The second is outliers. All of you know that outliers are the extreme value in the data set that pull the mean away from the medians. There are the two types of the outliers. The first is outliers for individual variables, which is called univariate outlier, and the outliers for the model, that is called multivariate outliers. So basically if you see the extreme values within the same variable, that is called univariate outliers, and if you see the extreme values in comparison with other variables of the model, then that value is basically the multivariate outlier. For example, one person in the dataset reports that diet has a positive effect on weight loss, but in the other statement he reports that he gains weight when he diets. So these are basically the opposite answers. So this record could be considered as a multivariate outlier. In the next video, I'll tell you how to perform missing value analysis and how to detect univariate and multivariate outliers. Thank you so much.